Alright guys, here's my dead ends for Unity's game creator extension StateMachine, trying to do a finite state machine as I've understood it for the last few years. Simplest one is patrol, then chase, maybe attack. The AI should only be in one state at a time, and you have to map or create the transitions for each state. So I've tried this in the StateMachine with this StateMachine. The default action is patrol. Have a short wait to get the scene set up. Move invoker, which points to the character AI, to a random waypoint from a list. This all works now with the latest build of StateMachine. And this was stop follow was put to cancel if they're chasing. And so if you click on the transition here, the transition says we only go from patrol to chase if the invoker, the AI, can see the player. And let's hit play and see what happens. He patrols, but he doesn't care about my player unless he comes to the end of the waypoint and finishes his move to the random waypoint. So the short hack for that would be to turn on cancelable, and I don't know what these numbers do, but evidently cancelable just means that this move action is cancelable, which makes it nice. You can cancel the chase, can interrupt this can see player can short circuit that, but it also makes it, for some reason, that when you push WASD or arrow keys, that this move action is also canceled. So, and the other problem, well, that works okay. Let's see. While he's chasing, he seems to lose interest really quick. Let's see. Okay, I'm chasing you, and let's jump. It still works. Okay, when he arrived, when he got close enough, it looks like he lost interest. And yeah, now I can't get him to be interested again. Oh, there he goes. Oh, okay, so cancelable is checked, and every time I move, he picks a new waypoint. So all right, so that appears to be a dead end for that AI. So we'll try the other one. And just so you know, these two are empty nodes. They just make it so you don't have to put restart action here. Just when it finishes the chase, it loops back, and when it finishes the patrol, it loops back. You don't have to have a restart action. All right, the other StateMachine is just triggers based. Try to stick with just two triggers. When the invoker, the AI, sees the player, do a chase. Log a message, follow the player. In case this does anything, try to cancel the patrol state. This does not seem to do a darn thing. And when the line of sight is off, so in other words, when that trigger fires, we switch to the patrol state. And remember, the patrol state still is not cancelable, so that might be a potential problem. Let's hit play. And we are in... Oh, we haven't used this StateMachine, sorry. Oh, funny. So we'll switch the AI to the triggers-based AI and hit play. And he's walking. Let's watch the StateMachine. Patrolling. Okay, so the line of sight triggers are firing, but they seem to be fighting each other. Like, he'll do it for 1 split second, and he should continue seeing me. Like, it should stay in the chase state, but he's not. Like, he's just not interested in me. So the patrol state, maybe they're both happening in parallel. I don't know. Anyway, can't get that one to work either. So I'll just go through it real quick and show you. Line of sight, do the chase, in case cancel, you're patrolling, cancel that, but it's not cancelable. This one, line of sight, when we lose sight, stop following in case you were following or chasing, and move to this when you get done, loop it back. So that was it. It didn't work either, so we'll see where we can go next.